Hi guys, Chris here, Health Image Project Development Worker for Conwy Youth Service. Firstly, hope you're all keeping safe and well. I know it's a difficult time at the moment, but you know, we've got to all stick together. Hope you're staying safe at home. I know it's probably difficult for a lot of you not to go out and join your mates in the community, but it's so important that you try and stay at home or do things just as a household together. Yeah, it's also important that you are exercising as much as you can, you know, whether that's going for a walk or a bike ride. You know, getting out with the lovely weather we've been having recently has helped. If you are lucky enough to have gardens or patios, you know, it's important as well just to get a bit of sunshine, sit outside, maybe read that book you've not read or started, play that instrument that you've always wanted to try. You know, or get those board games out. It doesn't all have to be about computer games and FIFA and Xbox Live. You know, you can still have fun with your family. Take care of yourselves, and hopefully we will see you very, very soon. Stay safe. Finally, sorry, if you do need to contact me on Facebook or my mobile at all, please feel free. I'm available Monday to Friday, 9 till 5. Cheers everyone, bye.